Have you ever felt like you're constantly working on yourself, yet somehow never feel done? Like you're stuck in a loop of self-help books, podcasts, courses, all in an effort to fix something inside you that just won't go away? What if I told you there's nothing wrong with you? In this video, we're exploring a fine but powerful line: the difference between choosing change out of inspiration and chasing change because you think you're broken. When self-help becomes self-harm in disguise, it's time to pause, reflect, and reset. Many of us fall into the trap of treating ourselves like a never-ending project. We develop an inner critical voice, one that constantly points out our flaws and convinces us that self-worth only comes after we've improved. We start believing we need to fix ourselves, as if who we are right now isn't already enough. That belief becomes a quiet, painful form of self-rejection. So how do you know if you're addicted to self-help? Simple. The need to fix yourself never ends. You finish one book only to move on to the next. One podcast reveals another flaw. The list of things to fix just keeps growing. Instead of feeling empowered, you feel overwhelmed. That's not growth. That's punishment disguised as progress. Real growth, sustainable growth, starts from self-acceptance. When you believe you're already whole, already worthy, then any change you pursue is out of curiosity, adventure, or love, not shame. Self-help tools are powerful, but only if they support who you already are, not try to erase you. Think about how you love others, flaws and all. You don't need them to be perfect to be worthy of love. What if you offered yourself the same grace? You're allowed to grow, but you're also allowed to rest, to be imperfect, to exist as you are, as a human, not a checklist. So if self-help is starting to feel heavy, maybe the most radical act of growth is to stop reaching outward and start reaching inward. You're not broken, you're not behind, you're human and you're enough. If this message resonated with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever felt like you were stuck in a cycle of trying to fix yourself? Drop a comment below. Let me know.